You think you know Africa's story, a vast desert of sand, emptiness, nothingness. But what if I told you the Sahara was once home to a thriving super-civilization, older than Egypt, equal to Atlantis, and someone made sure we forgot it ever existed? Let's uncover the buried truth the world wasn't supposed to see.
12,000 years ago, the Sahara was green. Rivers, forests, mega lakes, bigger than modern nations. Millions of people lived there. Ancient rock art shows elephants, giraffes, boats, not sand. This was a paradise, not a wasteland. So the question is, who lived there and what did they build?
Satellite scans in the 1990s revealed something shocking. Perfectly straight buried walls, circular city layouts, and massive rectangular structures, all hidden under dunes. These aren't natural formations. These are ruins planned by master engineers. Some archaeologists estimate it could rival Rome in size, yet nobody talks about it. Why?
Beneath the sands, they found Lake Megachad, so huge it could swallow Germany and still have room. At its center, traces of a city with ports, canals, and symbols we've never seen before. Whoever lived here ruled the biggest lake on Earth, and then disappeared like they never existed.
The Rishat structure in Mauritania, NASA photographed it. Spiral rings, mountains, water erosion. The exact layout ancient texts used to describe Atlantis. 3 circular rings of land, 3 circular rings of water. Coincidence? Or the ruins of a lost capital washed away in a disaster? Historians laughed at the idea for years. Now, they're not laughing anymore.
In southern Egypt, archaeologists found Nabta Playa, giant stone circles, perfectly aligned with the stars, 5,000 years older than Stonehenge. This was not a primitive tribe. This was a scientific society mapping the sky with impossible precision. Where did they get that knowledge?
Beneath the Sahara's surface, researchers detected thousands of tunnels and water channels stretching for hundreds of miles. A civilization fought the desert and built a hydraulic system so advanced that modern engineers still don't understand how. These were not survivors, they were innovators.
Graves discovered near the dunes contain bodies over 7 feet tall, jewelry from thousands of miles away, and tools made with unknown metallurgy techniques. This was royalty, international trade, power, not the nomads we were told lived here.
Then something happened. The sky changed, the rain stopped, the lakes dried, the green paradise turned into fire and sand. Cities were buried, knowledge forgotten. Survivors fled in every direction. Some became the first Egyptians, some crossed into Europe, some vanished forever. A global reset and the Sahara swallowed a civilization whole.
Why is research blocked? Why won't funding go through? Why are satellite maps blurred in key sites? Because if the truth is revealed, history books need to be rewritten. It proves Africa wasn't behind. Africa was first, the heart of civilization, not the footnote. And that scares people in power.
DNA studies show something astonishing. The people who built ancient Egypt, their ancestors likely came from the deep Sahara, which means the pyramids, the kingdom of Kush, the rise of the Nile civilizations, all began with the forgotten empire buried under the sand. A super civilization erased, so others could take credit for human progress. The truth is still out there, under dunes as tall as skyscrapers. And one day, when the Sahara gives up its final secret, we'll realize we were never the first. We are the afterstory of a world far older and far greater than we ever imagined.